Do you want to go? Yeah, I'll just go up and down one more. Oh, my nuts are killing me. I'll go a wheelie slower. What? I think you're DLZ. This is a bad idea. It's a bit smaller than the pit bike.
Yeah, a lot smaller.
Oh, get my gloves. They're like somewhere. Fucking hell. Whoa, fuck me, this has got power up the wazoo. I want to get mine in white, change up the headlight and mudguard, just so it's custom, mate. It's like easier to get the front wheel up than the pit bike. It's so funny, you could just like launch yourself off the little jumps. If you find a little solid patch, you just launch off of it. Fuck me, that thing's lethal. The hero returns! Fuck's in there? What the fuck? Oh, there's a massive fire in there. No! It's pitch black. Tom crashed my pit bike, I didn't record it. But you know what I mean, pit bike's fine, just bent the number plate a bit. Just bent it back, job's a good one. Good thing about the pit bike is you do more technical shit rather than just going fast. People must have been camping around here or something. Look at this. Getting some mad air. Mate, this thing lifts. Oh fuck. Everyone's pissing around now. Everyone was waiting around for a bit, cooling off, I think, because it's pretty hot. I nearly looped it as soon as I came out of the house because I clutched it up in second. And I'm used to trying on my WR where you've just got to let the revs build up for like half an hour. I love this little jump. Oh. I went off sideways. I can hear my chain having like a little seizure when I when I just slam on the brake. I don't know, I don't think it likes it. That's all I needed. That's all I needed to do. Mission accomplished. Oh, get a little testicle slapper on some of these. Oh my god. I jumped it in a wheelie. Because I'm just so fucking cool.
That was a pretty good jump.
Which one? Good jump over here, I've heard. Word on the street is. Oh, that is a good jump. Oh! I got some height off that. Whoa! Bombed out the forks. Did you bomb out your forks?
Yeah.
Yeah, same. I just had like a dunk. I was like, fuck. Wall climb. Let's do a wall climb. Professional wall climb that, mate. I'll get on the top in a minute. What the fuck are they doing? Go like up and down quite a lot, because otherwise it will like...
Like that, yeah? Did you put the other one on?
That's what I'll do, mate, trust me. For £2.50 that duct tape cost me, right? That's worth more than a Varadero at this point.
Oh!
Not sure why everyone's going that way. Well, we got barrier. I wanted to go across that, but I'm not sure how I would, to be honest. I was in like slalom wheelie. It was foot down though, so no respect.
Ta-da.